Modern romance blooms in this pieced and embroidered ensemble that features an appealing palette of soft pinks and pale jade on a crisp white ground. Archive florals and stripes mix with embroidered accents in large pieced blocks, accented with top-stitch taping detail that accents the grid pattern placement and also appear as a mini flange edging on the floral standard shams. A ruffled bed skirt and ruffled and embroidered decorative accent pillows enhance the feminine quality of this bedding. Layering in complementary accessories such as white crochet European shams and a decorative pillow with a white Felicity quilted coverlet adds depth and richness to complete the look. Includes 1. Queen comforter, 1. Bedskirt, 2. Matching pillow shams. Material: 100% cotton. Features: reversible to a coordinating pattern allowing for 2 different looks. Ruffled bedskirt features a 15 drop. Dimensions: comforter 92 x 88, bedskirt 80 x 60, shams 21 x 27. Care instructions: machine washable for easy care. Machine wash cold, separately. Delicate cycle. Tumble dry low. Do not bleach. Timeless designs. Laura Ashley bedding. Laura Ashley style represents feminine design and classic styles. Beautiful florals, classic plaids, paisleys and tonal designs in soft delicate color palettes. We offer a wide range of bedding choices all in 100% cotton. They layer together beautifully in your room. Select from comforter sets, quilt sets, duvet sets and coordinate with our sheet sets, decorative pillows plus shower curtains and towels for your bathroom. Laura Ashley cotton comforter set. So many patterns and colors to select from. We have multi-piece comforter sets that include all of the accessories for you, or select a mini comforter set and layer in your own accessories. Add some romance to your room with one of our beautiful sets made to last a lifetime.